In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this image by using Blender and Stable Diffusion XL. I'll use a basic primitive mesh to create a simple prototype scene for the Stable Diffusion. Please render the image and import it in Stable Diffusion. I'll share the full prompts in the description below. Please set the preprocessor to none, and select the correct depth model. Now that the AI knows what we need, let's send this result to image to further enhance the details. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.